Dear brothers and sisters, why we have to forgive others? Not 7 times, 70 times 7, that means without limit. The reason is that is God, that is God's nature. Whenever we commit a sin, the love and the mercy of God that is infinite gives us a great hope and confidence. But when our brethren, they come to us, we make our hearts hard. When we read, if you do not forgive your brethren, your heavenly Father also will not forgive you. When we hear that, we may wonder, then what is the difference between our Heavenly Father and us? Just imagine there is only one door for your heart. That means if you close your door of the heart, or if you close your heart towards your brethren, ipso facto, your heart is closed to God. That means you cannot receive forgiveness from your God. That's the meaning what Jesus said. You cannot receive forgiveness from your God because your heart is closed. If you say you love God who is unseen, you have to love your brethren. What happens often in our lives? We know the first thing that we do when we are being offended, we react. And the person who hurt us, even he doesn't know that we are hurt. He or she is unaware of it. And from our part, what happens? For just an event of hurting, someone offended us. By that very event, we forget all the past. And the same person, he was doing lot of favors for me in my past, but this is the first time he offended me. But with that one event, I forget all her goodness that he manifested, expressed in my life or for me. We make our heart hard. Mother Teresa says, if you judge people, you have no time to love them. Once we become blind towards someone, then we cannot see any good in others. And what happens? Now the pace of our mind is lost. We also start planning a lot. The thoughts that judge others are filled in our heart. That affects our whole life. Every day, the emotions, our thoughts, our words, everything will be affected by this feeling. That's why Jesus says, you have received mercy, infinite mercy from your Heavenly Father. So, whenever you have a hurting experience, remember that what you have received from your Heavenly Father, then that will help you to forgive others.